Yo, what's up, weirdos? It's been a fantastic day today, Father's Day slash birthday. Had a good time. Didn't put out too much content today. We did a live stream earlier and did a video this morning, but outside of that, just kind of relaxed, enjoyed the day with the family and stuff like that. But I was just sitting around kind of looking at some charts, looking at Bitcoin making a move tonight. So we're going to have a little bit of a talk about that. And we got three potential catalysts this week. Could be good, could be bad. Catalysts go both ways, guys, right? So that sounded wrong. But we're going to talk about it. So, three things to pay attention to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. Right now, at the time I'm recording this, Bitcoin is making a move. It's just getting rejected off the 30-day SMA on the daily time frame. If it can break above there over the next, I don't know, 19 hours or something like that, before the candle close tomorrow, that would be fantastic. Closing above the 30-day, very bullish. We're sitting at 106, almost 106.6 right now. So things are looking good. Altcoins are starting to recover. I did tell you guys that you should be ready for potential recovery week this week and the beginning of our journey to the parabolic part of this bull run. So things are looking good. Things are looking juicy. Quick shout out before I get started to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet, guys. Get yours today simply by using our link down below. They have a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallets or get the card wallet. You can store your crypto safely on there. Self-custody is the way to go. You can swap on there, take profits on there, and you can even stake on your Decent Biometric Wallet, guys. So check it out. Again, use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal, right? And I also have some big Jasmy news, guys. Some big Jasmy news that I'm going to let you guys know at the end of the video. So stick around for that. This one's going to blow your mind. So, okay. So the first thing, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have three catalysts this week that we need to be paying close attention to. The Genius Bill, the Genius Genius Act Bill. Yes, so we got that happening on Tuesday. Now, I have no doubt that's going to be a bullish catalyst. I'm not seeing too much of an issue there in terms of negativity. Uh, it already passed. It already passed its initial vote, right? So I'm Canadian, so I don't have the right terminology with me right now, but anyway, voting on that again on Tuesday, the House, I think. So we'll see what happens there, guys. I have no qualms or no worries about whether that's going to be negative or positive. I think it's going to pass. I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue on that topic, but that could be a bullish catalyst helping us continue our move up on Tuesday. I think Monday's going to be a recovery day no matter what. That could help piggyback things further on Tuesday. And then going into Wednesday, okay, we have the FOMC meeting. Sorry, that's Tuesday. So Powell speaking. The press conference is on Wednesday, okay? Now, we will likely get the minutes ahead of time, as we always do, but so we already know, okay, so they're not going to cut rates, right? That's like, I think it's like a 0% chance or something like that they cut rates this month, which is fine. That's already what's priced in. So if they don't cut rates and they stay paused, that's not going to crash the market. Pause is already priced into the market, so that's not a bad thing. What we need to be paying close attention to, however, is what Jerome Powell has to say in his press conference, right? That's going to be the catalyst right there. Is he negative? Is he positive? Is he bullish? Is he bearish? Is he hawkish? Is he dovish? Right? Which one will he be? And will he say anything to allude to a rate cut sooner? Because right now, I think it's being priced into the market that the soonest we're going to see a rate cut is probably September or October, right? So is he going to imply anything about maybe a rate cut sooner? I don't know. Something we're going to be paying attention to, right? Something we're going to be paying attention to. I'm not. Here's the only kind of thing that worries me is that markets obviously have been affected by what's going on in the Middle East right now. is that going to play a factor in what Powell has to say in his press conference? I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb here and say probably, yeah, he'll, you know, but I'm hoping it's not negative. I don't think he'll say anything negative because I mean markets are already just trying to recover. So I think he knows that if he says something that's kind of, bearish, then he doesn't want to do more damage to the markets that already have been caused by what's going on in the Middle East, right? Um so I would say the odds are probably better that he's kind of more bullish. But we'll see, right? That one's kind of a coin flip, guys, 50-50, right? But it's something we have to pay attention to on Wednesday. We always see volatility when Powell does his press conferences, right? Either we see a dump and then a pump, or a pump and then a dump. Either way, we usually do see some volatility. So if you're considering using leverage trading, personally, I would not recommend it. But not a financial advisor, not financial advice, right, guys? What else we have on Thursday? The 20-year bond auction, right? So that's going to be interesting. The last one that they did, I think it was the 10-year, last month, I think it was. It didn't go very well, and no one's really talking about this. So it'll be interesting because if it does not go well, so what happened last month was with the 10-year yield, uh, they actually ended up having to print money and buy their own bonds, right? Because the auction round didn't go well. So if it doesn't go well again, are they going to have to print more money and buy more of their own, more bonds, right? The 20-year I think is on Thursday, so that's another thing we need to pay attention to as well. Are they going to have to start printing money, buying their own debt again, like they did last month? Probably. That's going to be my guess. If the 10-year didn't really go very well, why would the 20, right? So another thing that we need to pay attention to, guys. Um, but yeah, so it's a big week, guys. It is a very big week ahead, and we need to pay attention to these things because these things could make or break the week, right? Um, these catalysts aside, like with these catalysts not playing a factor, just based on the charts and price action, we're due for a big rally this week, in my opinion, and we're due to start moving up as per the correlation with the M2 money supply, as per the Russell getting ready to break out, as per the total 2 getting ready to break out, so on and so forth, right, guys? So everything, all signs are pointing to go. We'll see what happens. Hopefully Powell does not crash the markets. Hopefully the 20-year yield bonds auction goes well, and or what I mean by goes well is hopefully they have to print more money. But anyway, money printing is continuing to happen. Mr. T said this weekend, was it this morning? I think it was this morning. He said that no, it was yesterday. Yesterday he announced that they had in principle a deal with China, so everything's looking good on that front, guys. And got some big news for this channel as well. For all of my Jasmine people out there, I just had a conversation with KJ. Shout out to KJ if you're watching. Thank you so much for facilitating this. But we have secured an interview with the man himself. Hara-san is coming on the channel. We will be live on YouTube and on X. Just waiting for his people to get back to me with a date and time. And yeah, so that's big news, guys. Hara himself is going to be on the channel. So I could not be more excited about that, and more I could not be more appreciative of him taking his time to talk to us as a community and answer our questions. That's absolutely phenomenal. Very bullish, guys. So once again, I have the utmost respect for him to make the time, and the gratitude to make the time for us. So make sure that you guys are here. I will let you guys know as soon as I get the date that works for him. And I mean, hopefully I don't screw it up, right? That's yeah. Be careful what you ask for sometimes, right? So I'm playing, guys. I'm playing, but You know, the nerves are there. So wish me luck on that, guys. And make sure you like and subscribe so that you do not miss that interview, guys. It's very, very bigly. And also, guys, if you need mentorship in this space from someone who's been through multiple bull runs, go ahead and check out our mentorship programs over on the Patreon. We do mentorship coaching calls every single day. You can book yourself into some of them. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. So get in there, guys, learn everything you need to know about portfolio structure, exit strategies, when to take profits, when not to take profits, how to roll profits from one project to the other, technical analysis training, tokenomics, how to vet teams, how to do research, hot wallets, cold wallets, gas fees, how to be proactive with your bank so that they don't give you a problem when you're offloading your life changing wealth, and so much more, guys. Get the guidance and the mentorship that you need. Again, we've been through multiple bull runs. There's no fluff, there's no moon boy stuff over here. This is just facts, hard facts, and we will guide you through this space and get you out of it with your profits intact. We're also live every single day on the Patreon. We drop educational content, and the best part is I just dropped a tiny, tiny, tiny micro cap gem. My opinion, 100x potential, easily. You're gonna want to check this one out, guys. I just dropped that video yesterday on the Patreon as well. So if you like the price action of ZBEC and Onyx Coin and Nadix, you're gonna want to get over there, guys, and check this one out because it's gonna go. It's an RWA play, and it is ready to pop. I'm telling you now. Check it out. Once again, guys, the link is down below in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Happy Father's Day, guys.